My dear child, today, I am speaking to you the way the wind speaks to the leaves, the way the sea calls the waves, the way darkness gives way to the morning. Today, my words will enter your heart, blend with your breath, and awaken a new light within you. You have waited so long, cried so much, called out so deeply, and today is the day when I am answering your soul. Listen, because today, it is me, only me, and you. I have seen every night of yours, every exhaustion, every brokenness. You grew tired thinking whether I was listening, but I was closest to you in the moment you believed you were most alone. When you placed your head on the ground and said, "Lord, I can't do this anymore," I placed my hand on your head and said, "Just a little more. I am here." I was silent, but not distant. You were broken, but I was shaping you anew. I was not delaying you. I was preparing you. My child, whatever you endured was not wasted. Every tear, every sigh, every broken moment, all are safe with me. You thought you were losing, but the truth is you were growing stronger. I was hiding you like a seed in the dark, because a seed is buried first, and then it grows into the world. You were hidden, pressed down, but now, the time is coming for you to rise, to flourish, to bloom. Today, I am telling you, I heard your prayer. I heard it on the first day. But I answer only where the answer brings the greatest transformation. If I had given it earlier, you wouldn't have been able to handle it. If I had given it too soon, people would have hurt you. If I had given it without preparation, the blessing itself would have become a burden. That is why I did not hold you back. I protected you. Do you know how much you lost? Do you know how many people came and left? Do you know how many dreams broke? But I saw all of it. I was closing the doors that would have wounded you. I was covering the paths where you would have fallen. I was removing the people who would have brought you pain. You thought, "The Lord is not listening to me." And I was saying, "You don't understand, but I am protecting you. My child, you are mine. You were not called by any human. I called you. Your soul belongs to me. Your journey is under my care. And today, I am telling you, that thing you cried for so long, that thing you lost yourself trying to attain, that thing you held on to even when you were breaking, its answer has already begun to move. I have sent it toward you. You thought everything was over, but what you thought was the end, was the beginning of my plan. I closed that chapter of your life, so I could write a new one for you. I am the author who never makes mistakes. My writing never falters. My words never fade. My plans are far beyond your understanding. Today, you are before me. So today, I am telling you the whole truth. I had already answered your prayer. You just hadn't stepped out of the darkness yet. Now, you are stepping out. Now, you will see. Now, you will feel. Now, your soul will become lighter. Now, your steps will grow stronger. Now, your heart will be reassured. Because now, I am telling you, yes, the answer to your prayer has already arrived. My child, you said to me, "Lord, show me the way." And I said, "Come, I am the way." You said, "Lord, hold me." And I said, "You are in my hands." You said, "Lord, what do I do now?" And today, I am saying, just trust. I will do everything else. You feel like you got up too late. You are behind others. You have lost everything. But listen, I paused your time, because I do not want to take you into the crowd. I want to lift you into greatness. Where the world thinks it ends, that is where I begin. What you lost, I will return tenfold. What you wanted, I will give something better. But your soul first needed to become capable of carrying my blessing. You grew tired of waiting. But let me tell you, the greatest blessings of your life always come after waiting. I do not delay. I prepare. And when I prepare, the delay always becomes a blessing. Now listen, This is my promise. I will not leave you where you broke. I will not let you remain stuck where you cried. I will not let you stay fallen where you sat alone. I will lift you, hold you, and take you forward, because the rest of your story is filled with light. What you lost, I will restore. What you endured, I will transform. What you waited for, I will fulfill. And what you never even imagined, I will give you that too. Do not fear. You are not alone. Your prayer did not go alone. Your voice did not go empty. Your nights were not wasted. I am with you, today, tomorrow, forever. Today, I am telling you, rest now, my child, because now, it is my turn to work. You just watch. I am about to perform miracle after miracle in your life. Now I have come to tell you what is coming, what is forming, what I am writing into your life. This part can be heard the way a father holds his child close and speaks softly about the future. Just listen, breathe, and let my voice settle into your heart. My child, the helplessness in which you have breathed until now, I am about to turn it into strength. The loneliness in which you have spent your nights, I will turn that loneliness into elevation. You feel as if you took too long, but I am telling you, your beginning starts now. Whatever you could not understand, whatever you believed time had taken from you, whatever paths you thought were wrong, I am now turning all of them in the right direction for you. You asked me so many times, Lord, why me? Why only me? When will this pain end? And every time, I was there with you, standing before you, placing my hand on your spirit and saying, be patient, I am working. But you were crying, you were breaking, and my voice felt faint to you. But now you are listening. Now your heart is calm. Now I am speaking to you without interruption. My child, the pain you received did not come to destroy you. It came to build you. You saw how people walked away from you, how doors kept closing, how paths kept drifting away from you. You thought all of this was happening against you. But listen, I was clearing the way for you. I removed every person who would have stopped your rise. I lifted you out of every place that weakened your spirit. I ended every situation that kept you stuck. What you think you lost, I was cleansing it. What you think you let go, I myself removed it so that you could be free from burdens. Because now, I am going to lift you high, and to rise to greater heights. One cannot carry unnecessary weight. My child, now listen to my words carefully. Changes are coming into your life. Not slow changes, not hidden changes, not silent changes within, but clear, visible, undeniable changes. The things you believed were impossible will become possible before your eyes. The door before which you grew tired is now about to open for you. The prayer you thought I had forgotten is now about to bear fruit. I did not delay. I prepared. Everything your spirit has endured will now show its fruit in your life. But child, do not think that fruit simply appears. No, fruit comes in the measure of the nights you cried, the battles you fought, the moments you held yourself together even when defeated. I have seen your strength. I have seen your efforts, and I forget nothing. Now let me tell you, blessings that come late are always heavier, and your blessing is not coming late. It is coming deep. You think you were finished, but in my sight, you have only begun. I will not leave you where people left you. I will take you to places you never imagined going. My child, your story is entering a chapter where you will be astonished by how greatly I can move. You thought you were fighting alone, but now you will see, you were fighting with me. You thought you had fallen, but now you will understand. I was holding you. You thought everything was over, but now you will see. I began where you gave up. Now listen. What you wanted, I will give you, but I will also give you what you never prayed for, because you never imagined it. The pain stored inside you is now going to melt. The fear sitting inside you is now going to break. The emptiness within you is now going to be filled, because now I am working quickly, and my quickness is not like human quickness. When I increase the pace, even mountains give way. You have fought so much with your past, broken so much, grown tired so much, endured so much. Now I am about to give you rest. Not the rest that sleep gives, but the rest that my presence gives. You will not walk alone now. You will walk with me. I will hold you and carry you, and wherever I lead you, you are always safe. Now I will tell you about your future. New people will come into your path. They will not come to hurt you, but to lift you higher. New opportunities will open before you. They will not come to break you, but to shape you. New doors will appear. They will not open to make you weep, but to make you shine. I am removing from around you everyone and everything that was holding you back. Now your life will have a clarity you have never felt before. My child, you think you are too late, but I am telling you, I paused your time, only to begin it now. You are not behind time. You are on my time, and my timing is never wrong. When I say, now, the world begins to say, yes, to you. You are entering that moment now. Now rise, lift your head, because your season has changed. The fruit of your prayer has already begun to form. What you have not seen is coming. What you have not felt is taking shape. What you never imagined is moving toward you. You are not walking alone now. I am walking you forward. Just do not lose trust. You are part of my plan, and my plan is always perfect. Now I say to you, be still. The answer to your prayer has arrived. And now you will see the life for which you were born. Asterisk, asterisk.